Ever wonder how some cryptocurrencies stay the same price? Let's talk about stablecoins and why they matter in the world of digital money. Stablecoins are digital currencies designed to keep a stable value. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, they don't swing wildly in price. That's because they're pegged to real-world assets, like the US dollar, euro, or even gold. So when you hear one stablecoin equals $1, it's not just a slogan. They're backed by actual reserves like cash or bonds to stay steady. Some common examples: USDT, Tether, USDC, and BUSD. These are widely used for trading, saving, or sending money across borders. Stablecoins are fast, global, and don't lose value overnight, making them one of the most practical tools in the crypto world today. Want to keep learning about the future of money? Hit that subscribe button for more clear and powerful insights into digital currency.